Today we are going to learn how to use cell reference of one worksheet in another worksheet. We know that in Excel we have several worksheets such as sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, etc. Many worksheets we can create that already you know. Here what we want is we need the formula used in sheet 1 in sheet 2. What it means? A formula is there in sheet 1 in a cell. That formula we need to use in the sheet 2, that is cell reference of another worksheet. Suppose in this figure you can see many values are written, and here we need to find out the sum of all these values in the cell B8. In the cell B8 we need to find out the sum of all the above values. What we want to do, we need to use a formula. The same formula actually we have in the sheet 1. Suppose the same formula we have in the sheet 1, we only need to copy from there. What we want to do, we can copy the formula from sheet 1 to sheet 2. We know that in sheet 1 we have the formula. Which formula? Sum of B2 is to B7, and that formula resides in the cell B8. From B8 we need to copy the formula. So we need to go to sheet 1, then click on the cell B8, then from the formula tab copy the formula by using the Ctrl plus C shortcut key. Control plus C shortcut. By using the Control plus C shortcut key, we can copy the formula from the formula tab. Then go back to the sheet 2, then click on the cell B8, then copy the paste the formula by using Control V. We can paste the formula which is copied from sheet 1. That is the first option. Using copy paste option we can copy the formula used in another worksheet. Hope you can understand this. Why we are copying formula from another worksheet? Because we don't need to type the formula again, because the same formula is used in the previous worksheet. That's why we are copying the formula from the next previous worksheet, because the same formula is used. We don't need to type again and again. The second way of using cell reference of one worksheet in another worksheet is by using sheet reference. You may confused about sheet reference. Sheet reference simply means it is similar to the previous way, but here we are using the sheet name. We need to use the sheet name, then exclamation mark, then cell address. That's how we can use the sheet reference. What we are doing here is we are referring the cell address. Actually, cell address of one worksheet or the cell reference of one worksheet we are using in another worksheet. Actually, a cell address of one worksheet we are using in the same worksheet. You already know that. But a cell reference of one worksheet we can use in another worksheet. From this example you can understand easily. Look at the figure 2.12. In this figure what we want to do is we need to find out the total salary. You know that salary is given, but the total salary is, what is the total salary? That is salary plus the incentive amount. That is the total salary that we need to find out, which means a total salary we need to find out, that is salary plus incentive amount. But in this sheet 2 only salary is given, incentive amount is given in the previous worksheet. What it means? So we need to refer the incentive amount here. Hope you can understand this. We need the incentive amount which is given in the sheet 1 to sheet 2. We need to refer the incentive amount to this sheet 2. So here we are going to use the sheet reference. First, click on the cell C2, which we needed the total salary. Then total salary is salary plus incentive amount. Then salary is given in the same worksheet. So simply equal to B2. Then inserting the plus symbol. Then we are writing sheet 1 exclamation D2. Here sheet 1 exclamation mark D2. What it means? It refers the value of D2 in the sheet 1. From sheet 1, it refers the value of D2 to the cell B2 to the cell C2 of the sheet 2. That is the use of using sheet reference. So after pressing the enter key, the salary plus incentive amount, that amount will be added to the, means the salary will be added with the incentive amount. The result will be given in the cell C2 of the sheet 2. What we have done, actually we have referred the cell address or the value of D2 from the sheet 1 to the sheet 2. I hope you could understand. So in order to use the sheet reference, we need to use the sheet name, that is sheet 1, then exclamation mark, then the cell address, which is D2. That's how we can use the sheet reference.